My hope is that people who listen to my work can hear it and it will impact them the way I've meant it to. Hi, I'm Tony Maserati. I'm a record producer and recording engineer. When I sit down to work, I take something a band has recorded and then try to dial in all the subtleties. I'm going to find those emotional cues and try to accentuate them. Elements that grab the listener, that create impact. What I like about the Galaxy Buds two-way speaker design is that the bass representation system was balanced. It has all the nuance that the performer put into it. It's important for me to make sure that the audience is hearing what I'm creating.